Okay. Now, see in the previous example, we have written, we want to know like how to write a first programming Eclipse IDE. Okay. And first you guys need to create one workspace in your computer. So, it doesn't matter whether the workspace could be, okay, workspace could be any directory of your choice. And do remember the same workspace is needed, right? The same workspace is needed every day that whenever you are going to open the IDE, because all the projects will be stored. Whatever the Java projects or applications you are practicing, all your applications, what you guys are you are going to practice, and all those applications will be stored in the same workspace folder. Okay. All those will be into the same workspace folder. So let's start. Guys, let's start. See, here I am creating. Just I want to open the workspace, and I have created in the previous session like a workspace for your batch, and I have given the number as, okay, I've given some workspace for 88 GFSD workspace. So every day I'm just going to choose the same workspace directory, because Eclipse will use this workspace to store the projects. Whatever the Java projects that you are practicing, all those projects will come and store in this workspace only. So if you every day you select a same workspace, it's better. Don't create a new workspace every day. Then you can't see all your programs at one place. So that's why it is recommended to choose the same workspace. Okay. It is recommended to choose the same workspace every day. Am I clear with that? Okay. Now let's start. Okay. Let's start the workspace. Launch. Good guess. Just one project we have created, that is called Java project is demo application. And in this project, you can see there is a folder created called SRC. This is automatically generated. When you create a new Java project, this folder is created automatically. Now, in this folder, you will understand about package in further classes, but one package we have created called com.ashok IT. Currently, remember, one package means it is a group of classes. It's a group of programs. So I want to store one program called test.java in a package called com.ashok IT. So how these package names and all, we are going to understand it further when you are, further whenever we discuss about some more applications, you'll understand that. But currently, my Java program name is what? Test.java. That's my Java program. So hope I'm clear with you. Hope I'm clear with you. There is a Java program created. The name of the Java program is what? Test.java. And if I execute this program, we are going to get the same output. I told this is called a static program. This is the first program almost we are writing in this ID, Eclipse ID. This is the very first program you have created. Am I right? Now, whenever you execute this program, if you run this program, then you are going to get the output as, hi, this is my first program in Eclipse. Right? Good. For example, if I use the message, hi, space, let's say Shekher. Hi Shekher, this is my first program in Eclipse. Now you see, I got the response output in the console. This is called console window, right? And in the console window, you are getting a message called, Hi Shekher, this is my first program in Eclipse. So now you run this program for second time. You run this program for second time. And even for the second time also, you are again getting the same answer. Hi Shekher, this is my first program in Eclipse. You again execute for third time. So you can see there is a button available called run button. You can run the program by clicking on this run button. Otherwise, you can right click and you can say what run as, and you can say Java application. Both are safe. If you execute for one time or n number of times, say 2 times or say 3 times, or say 5 times. So if you run this program for any times like 2, 3, 4, 5 times, but still, the response will be same response. No change. Every time, hi Shekher, this is my first program. This is called static program. This is called static program. Am I clear with that? This is called static program. Am I clear with this, guys? This is called what type of program? Static program. Okay. Static program in the sense, the program will execute again and again. The response will be same and there is no change in the response. That type of program is actually called as, what type of program it is called? Static program. So this is basically called what type of program? Obviously, static program. So today we want to understand about how to write the program as a dynamic program. Right? Good. Everybody, look at this. See, there is some explanation required, and I'm just going to talk about that explanation. Okay, let's start with that explanation. See, look at this. Today, I want to explain about how to make the Java program as a dynamic program, guys. I want to make my Java program as what? Dynamic program. That is what requirement. Look at the concept. If you want to make the Java program as dynamic program, first of all, that program should take the input from the user. If you want to make any Java program as what? Dynamic program. If you want to make the Java program as a dynamic program, then your Java program has to take the input from the user. Look at this. This is my Java program, let's say. Assume that this is my Java program. Okay, this is my Java program. And look at this. If you want to make this program as a dynamic program, what this program has to do? This program has to take the input from the user. It should take the input from the user. Okay, so let's say, for example, this guy is a user. Let's say, for example, this guy is a user. Whatever it is. Okay, let's say, for example, this guy is a user. Otherwise, I'll take the user like this. Let's say, for example, this guy is a user. And this program should take the input from the user. Okay. And once this program, user will give the input now. This is user. User will give the input. When user will give the input, now this Java program should read the input, read the input. Okay. Then calculation, then print the output. Okay. Then print the output. Now the program will display the output. Do the calculation. It will take the user input, will read the input, do the calculation, and will print the output to the user. Show the output or print the output to the user. I mean to say, output should be displayed on the monitor otherwise. We'll take the input from the user, do the calculations, display the output onto the monitor. Let's say this is monitor. And this program should display the output onto the monitor. Got my point? This is user. User will provide input. This program should read the input, should perform the calculation, and then it should print the output to the user. Output should come on what? Monitor. The output to come on monitor. You know, output statement in Java. To display the output onto the monitor, then we have a statement called what? System.out.println. SOP statement I'm calling. Better. You know, output statement is SOP in Java. You guys know about SOP statement. SOP statement is for output, and the output statement is SOP. Let us talk about input statement. Look at this, guys. If a Java program wants to read the input from the user, there are multiple things. First of all, everybody has to know. First of all, in Java, there is one predefined class given. Predefined class means it is already given by Java only, not created by you. Okay, there is a predefined class given. That predefined class name is scanner. Okay, remember what is the predefined class name? Scanner. And this scanner class is used to read the input from the user. You know, this scanner class is used to read the input from the user. There is a class provided called scanner, and this class is used to read the input from the user. Okay, good. Remember, it is a predefined class. It is given by Java. That's why it is called predefined. It's not created by you. Java language only provided. Okay. And first thing everybody understand, Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. Okay, you can read my statement once again. Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. Okay, right? Many classes, sir. Many. You know, some hundreds of classes are there in Java. Hundreds, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, or 15. Java is such a big one and important one. So Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. Okay, right? So I'm just calling it all these predefined classes provided by Java is called Java API. All these predefined classes given by Java is called Java API. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Just okay. all these predefined classes which are provided by Java is called what API? This is called what API? Java API. Okay, you guys are getting a new word called what API? Java API. This is an important word for you. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, na? Guys, this is how you guys need to understand. Okay, next again I'm talking. Everybody need to understand. Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. Am I clear? Everybody understand this statement? Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. So all these classes, okay, predefined classes provided by Java is called what API? Java API. Java API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Okay, so far, I think I'm clear for you. So far, I think I'm clear for you. Good, good. I'll go ahead and try to understand this. Okay. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Now, this API contains many packages. Java API is provided in multiple packages. You are getting some new terms today. Okay. Java API is provided in multiple packages. So did you guys understood this now? Java API is provided in multiple packages. Okay, good, good. Let us understand. Okay, let us understand. Guys, Java API is provided in multiple packages. See, there are some packages like this in Java. Java.lang. Everything starts with Java. Util. Java.io. Java.net. Java.time, etc. All the package names I know of typing. Java.beans. Okay, Java.sql. Multiple packages are there in Java. Okay, lot of packages are there in Java. But you guys understood that you guys need to understand if, first of all, there are some packages are available in Java with the names like Java. All the package names will start with Java. Java.lang, Java.util, Java.io. These are all the different packages that are available in Java. Am I clear? Okay. What each package contains? In each package, Java has provided different classes. For example, Java.lang package contains some group of classes. Java.util package contains another group of classes. Java has divided the predefined classes into different groups. And for each group, a name is given. That name is called package. For each group, there is a name provided, and that name is called, group name is called package. So Java.lang is one group of classes. Java.util is another next group of classes. Java.io is another group of classes. So like that, there are different packages are available in Java. Multiple packages are there. For example, you take your email. Okay, for example, you take your emails. You have primary emails, one category of emails. Social emails, another category of emails. Right? Primary emails, social emails. What else is there? updates, right? So see, if you open your Gmail account, you can see that primary emails are there. Primary emails is one category. Updates is another category. What else? Social is another category. Similarly, in Java also, many classes are provided and all the classes are divided into multiple groups. Each group has a name. That group name is called package. Okay. So am I clear so far? Am I clear so far? And did you guys understood this, what I'm trying to say? Okay. So is it clear for you so far? Whatever that I have explained, am I clear with you? Okay. Right. Right. So first of all, yeah, today we are discussing about what is our requirement for today. First, today we want to understand. Okay. Okay. Reading the user input. Reading the user input or user's input. That's our requirement. So to read the user input, okay, Java program should use one class. That what's the class name I told you? One predefined class is given to read the user's input. That class name is called scanner. You will learn about classes, objects in OOPS. In object-oriented programming, you are going to understand clearly about. You are going to understand clearly about. Okay, the class, object, constructor. Okay, and various OOPS concepts: inheritance, polymorphism, static, final, public, private. All you are going to learn in. These are all the concepts you guys are going to learn in the OOPS, object-oriented programming. But currently, 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 I'm just currently I'm just asking to remember one class name called scanner. In further, you will learn many. First, remember one class called scanner. What is the purpose of this scanner? This is a class which is given by Java to read the input from the user or to read the input provided by the user. User will provide the input from keyboard, and whatever the input is given from keyboard, and that input a Java program can read by using this class called scanner. It is a predefined class given by Java. So first I want to add one statement. Okay. See, what's the statement I'm writing? To read the input from the user or to read the input provided by the user. To read the input provided by the user from the keyboard or from the keyboard or through the keyboard. Okay, to read the input provided by the user through the keyboard, Java has provided a class called or a predefined class called scanner. Everybody, okay, scanner, S letter capital. The class name is scanner. Scanner is the name of the class. Let us highlight this. Okay, right. Everybody understood this concept now? Java has provided a predefined class called scanner class. Next, I told Java has provided only one class or many classes? Many. Java has provided many classes for the developers to develop the Java programs. So all these classes, tell me, all these classes, all these predefined classes, all these predefined classes provided by Java is called Java API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Java API is provided, okay, Java API is provided in multiple packages. Example, java.line, java.util, java.io, java.net, java.time. These are all different package names in the Java programming. These are all predefined packages which are given by Java. One package means it is one group of classes. Okay, right? How you have one group of emails, another group of emails. One group is called primary group. Next one is social group. Next one is update group. Like that, you are getting some emails like that. Different groups, they are divided. Similarly, in Java also, the classes are divided into the multiple packages. So far, this is what we have discussed. I want to copy this statement so that it will be there in your document also. So am I clear with all these things? Okay, now. So all these predefined classes provided by Java is called what API? Java API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Java API is provided in multiple packages. So these are all important statements for all of you guys. Okay, now. Next, I want to explain about the next statement. Let us understand the next statement, guys. Everybody, if you are, for example, at any point, if you are getting any statement which is not understandable, let me know. I will try to give clarity on that. Okay. So next statement. See, I just now told you which class is provided by Java to read the input from the user, that is called scanner class. So to use a scanner class, guys, first of all, remember, we should create an object for the scanner class. I'll tell you how to create the object. First of all, remember, scanner class is provided in java.util package. Scanner class is provided in java.util package. Hope you guys are getting my point. Scanner class is provided in java.util package. Okay, good. Scanner class is provided in java.util package. So remember this, everyone. Okay, na? Good. So understand again. To use this scanner class and read the input, first we need to create the scanner class object. Okay. We need to create the scanner class object to read the input. How to create that object? In Java, if you want to create an object for a class, there is a syntax provided. Okay. Classes, objects, you are going to learn in the OOPS concept. In OOPS concept, you guys are going to understand about class and you guys are going to understand about object. The concept of class and the concept of object, you guys are going to learn in OOPS. Okay. Right. So today, I am going to talk about series. Today, I'm going to talk about how do you create the scanner class object. See, so first syntax of the syntax for creating a class is first class name. This is syntax. Remember, class name, next object name, then is equal to new class name. Class name, object name is equal to new class name. Okay, right. API is not a simple thing to understand just now. When the time comes, going forward, you'll understand. Going forward, see, simple statement. If anybody have the C language or not only Java, in every language, first language will provide some API. For example, take C language. C language has provided some predefined functions like printf to display the output. Scanf is to read the input. C language has provided printf, scanf, some functions they have provided. If without using them, I cannot write the C programs. I cannot write the programs in C language. That is called C language provided API. Every language will provide API. Every language will work in the same way. For example, take Python. Python also has provided API. For example, .NET. .NET also has provided some API. That API means some predefined functions or predefined classes that are given by the language for developing the programs. That is called API. Okay, good. Good, good. Let's see. See, scanner is a class provided in java.util package. Okay, now First, we need to create the object for scanner class. First, we need to create the object for scanner class. First of all, how to create an object for scanner class? Syntax you have to follow. Class name, object name is equal to new class name, then start and end the parenthesis. Suppose class name is scanner. Let me add in different color so that you guys can see this. Green color. Scanner. Scan. At least one white space required. Scanner space. One white space mandatory. Scan equal to new. Scanner of. See, match this. Scanner is class name. Scan is object name. Object name can be any name. You wanted scan. Okay, you read scan. No, sir. I wanted only shortcut SC. Okay. SC also correct. SC is also correct. SC is correct. SC is correct. SC and scan is correct. Your choice, sir. Whatever the name you want, you can type. So scanner, scan is equal to new scanner. Or scanner, SC is equal to new scanner. Am I clear with this? Okay. Right. Object name can be any name. It doesn't matter what name you want. You provide some name. It could be SC or scan or scanner. Also correct. Okay. But remember, Java is a case sensitive language. There is a difference between uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. You see, scanner, yes, capital letter, uppercase, it's a class name. This is scanner, it is an object name, yes, lowercase letter. First one is class name, this object name. So hope I'm clear with you. Hope I'm clear with you. Hope I'm clear with you. Okay. Now I want to, yes. Okay. Right. Good. Good. Come to the point here. So we are going to discuss about that now. Yeah. Okay, guys. Scan is equal to new scanner. Otherwise, scanner, scan. Because if there are two times a scanner, because you are a beginner, you may get confused. That's why I'm using the different word. Once again, within the parenthesis symbols, I'll tell you why I'm writing, but you have to write system.in. You write system.in within parenthesis. You should provide one parameter called system.in. Within the parenthesis, whatever you provide, that is called parameter. Parameter, word called parameter. Parameter is a system.in. Okay, system.in. Right. System.in. Now, okay. Why system.in? Actually, system.in represents keyboard. You know, system.out represents monitor. System.out.println. In Java, two words are there. System.in, system.out. Remember this. System.in represents keyboard. System.in represents keyboard. System.out represents monitor. Represents keyboard. Standard input device, that is keyboard. You know, system.out represents monitor. Okay. System.in represents keyboard. System.out represents monitor. Am I clear with that? Okay, that is what you guys need to first understand this. Okay, the scanner should read the input from keyboard. That's why within the parenthesis, we are writing system.in. Next, let's go ahead. Yeah, come to the point. Listen to me. So which class I'm talking about? Scanner. One thing is, if I want to use a scanner class in my Java project, if I want to use a scanner class in my Java project, Java program, sorry, could be any name, Java program. If I want to use a scanner class in my Java program, first of all, I have to import the scanner class. Okay, remember, first I have to import. I have to import the scanner class into my Java program. Okay, so if I want to import the scanner class into my Java program, if I want to import the scanner class into my Java program, then I'm going to use import keyword, import statement. Use import statement. Okay, now tell me how to write the import statement. You know, structure of writing a Java program. What is the basic structure of writing a Java program? The basic structure of writing any Java program is first statement of writing the Java program is package statement. After the package statement, this is a structure. Everybody should learn the syntaxes. First syntax is what writing the Java program, basic syntax of writing the Java program. First package statement, then after that import statement, after that class statement. Class statement means class name, like that. Inside the class, you can create variables, methods. We'll discuss them later. Class name, variables, methods we can create. Okay. So first statement, package statement. Order is important. Sequence important. First package statement, then import statements, then class. So hope I'm clear for you. Hope I'm clear for you. So today, first time we are writing import. Package statement already there in the previous program. You will understand it in further classes. Class already we know, because without class we cannot develop the Java program. We cannot write a Java program without a class. But you know, we are also going to write one statement, which is called which statement? Import statement. Import statement. So am I clear with that? Import statement. Okay, na? Right. Package statement, import statement, then class. Hope I'm clear for all these things. So today I'm talking about import statement. Import statement. Which class we need to import? I have to import scanner class. But you know, scanner class is provided in a package called java.util. So that's why import statement is going to look like this. Java.util.scanner. Otherwise, dot star also correct. Dot star means all the classes of that package you are importing. But if you import all the classes, unnecessarily memory is wasted in JVM. That's why only import the required classes. What is the required class I want to import? Scanner, semicolon. Scanner, semicolon. So this is how you guys need to write the import statement. Import java.util.scanner. Hope I'm clear for you. Hope I'm clear and you guys have understood this. Okay, in the next program, you are going to see all these things. Okay, first let me complete explanation. So which class is provided? Scanner class. For what reason? To read the input from the to read the input from the user. There is a predefined class given called scanner. It is provided in which package? Java.util package. It is one of the predefined package in Java. There are many classes, many packages are there, and you will learn all of them in further. This is the package name called java.util. How to create an object for the scanner class? Scanner class name, scan object name. New is a keyword in Java for creating an object. New is a keyword in Java for creating an object. Next is scanner of system.in. Am I clear for that? Okay. New scanner of system.in. Cool. So next, if I want to read the input, I have to import the scanner class into my Java program. Which statement I have to use? Import statement I have to use. How can I use that import statement? Import space java.util package name dot scanner is a class name semicolon. This is what how you guys need to write the import statement. Next, I'll explain all. I'll come in order. Again, I'll go back and I'll explain. Then I'll write statement. So that 2-3 times I'm repeating, not 1 or 2 times, 3, almost 2-3 times you are getting the concept from me. Next, guys. Okay. Suppose any integer value is given by the user. From keyboard, if suppose age value entered, age value is given by the user. User is providing age value, or the user is providing some price, or if user is providing some name, or if user is providing some character. Okay, to read all the input, all types of data. It could be the integer or byte value or short value or long value. Primitive data types. So in scanner class, different methods are provided to read the different types of input. For example, nextInt method is provided. For example, nextInt method is provided. This is to read the integer value. Next long method is provided to read the long value. Next float is provided to read the float value. Next byte. Okay. Next short. Next boolean. Okay, next int, next long, next byte, next short, next float, next double. All. Remember. Okay, there are 8 primitive data types are there in Java. 8 primitive types are available. Do you know that 8 primitive types are available, guys? Out of 8 primitive types, I have written 7 methods. You can see 7 methods I've written. Do you know one is missing called character? Char is a data type, but char is missing. You don't have any method called next char. Remember, this type of method is not available. You cannot read the character like this. This is wrong. We don't have this method. There is no method like this. That's why I'm not including this. No method. Next, in Java, one more thing is also important. In Java, we can read string value also by calling a method called next line method. Okay. Next line method. Next line is a method. This method. Next line is a method. And this method is to read the string value that we'll discuss in further. But currently, we are discussing about only these things. Next int, next long, next float, like this. These are all different methods. The first method will read integer value given by the user. Next long will read the long value, float value, byte value, short value, boolean value, true, false, double, and this is for string. Line means string. So these are the various methods which are provided, okay, to read the different types of data. Except which method? Do you know except which method? Except except next char. We don't have that method. I will tell you how to read the character in the applications next. Except that one, remaining all okay. 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 Right. So did you guys understood about first of all these methods now? Okay. Remember, system.out.println means where is output printed? Output is printed on the monitor, means on your screen. On the monitor, you call it as monitor. On the monitor, output will be displayed. System.in means the input will be taken from keyboard. System.in means keyboard. System.out means monitor. Remember like that. Okay. Good. So we will start understanding the program. We will start understanding the program. First of all, I want to add. Okay, I want to add etc. Some other methods are also there. etc. I'm typing. First, let me add all the statements here. Guys, tell me which class is provided by Java to read the input? Scanner class. Okay, right. To read the input, values. Okay, to read the input values given by the user. Okay, tell me which class object I need to create. Okay. Okay, in the program, okay, you have to create. You know what object you have to create? You have to create scanner class object. Scanner class object like below. For the statement scanner, scan is equal to new space scanner system.in. Java is case sensitive. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters, you guys need to take care. And everybody remember, between class name and object name, one space required. And new space class name and system.in means keyboard. Next. Okay, next. Before we create the scanner class object. So before we create the scanner class object, first we have to import the scanner class into our Java program. So I will write the import statement. How do you write import statement? Import space java.util.scanner. Syntaxes you have to follow. Import then space java.util.scanner semicolon. Okay, next. The below methods are provided. The below methods are provided in the scanner class. To read the different types of input. I'll copy paste. So hope you guys got these methods. Okay, right. These are the methods. Next int, next long, next float, next byte, next short, next boolean, next double, next line. Hope you guys got this. Hope you guys are getting this point. Next int, next long, next float, next byte, next short, next boolean, next double, next line. These are all the various methods which are provided in the scanner class. Hope I am clear with you. Hope I am clear with you and you guys have got the. Okay, let us go ahead, guys. Okay, tell me today we are going to write a Java program. Okay, and before we start writing Java program, at the time of writing the Java program, we can write comments. First, I'll explain comments. I think I have not given comments for you. See, when you're writing the program, if you want to make your program understandable for everyone, you can add some comments. Better I am writing the next point which is related to Java comments. Right? When you are writing the Java program, you can write comments. Comment means what? Description. Comment meaning is what, guys? Description. Description is called comment. Hope you guys are understanding. Description means comment. See, you are writing Java program or any program, guys. You are writing a program. You are writing a program. You are writing a program. Okay, you are writing a program, and when you are writing the programs in the middle, okay, some comments you want to write. So that comment purpose is what? Writing the description. Why? Suppose you have you have created the program code. The program is written by you, but I want to understand the program. Program is created by you. Okay, but I want to understand the program. See the point? Right? I want to understand the program. You guys have, suppose you created a program, I want to understand it. How can I understand easily? Suppose if I write some comments, some descriptions like the above the class or above the variable or above the methods like that, we write some comments. If you write comments, if anybody look your code, your program, they can understand easily. Suppose you have written the program, but your team leader, your team lead, we call your TL wants to review the code. Review the code means he wants to check how you written the code, how you have written the code. He wants to check how you have written the code. Am I clear? He wants to check how you have written the code. Yes. Good. So when he is open the code you have developed it. Maybe the code is having 300 lines. Let's say, for example, around 300 lines of code you have developed it. Around you took 1 week of time and you prepared the Java program. Now your team lead wants to review the code. Now he is going to review the code. Correct? When he is trying to review the code, if you write some comments in the code, he can understand for what purpose you have defined this code. That descriptions are called comments. Just you can write your comments. But how to write the comments? Okay, to write the comments. First of all, comments nothing but they are descriptions. Comments are nothing but they are the descriptions. They are the descriptions. Okay, descriptions written for variables or methods or classes anywhere. Comments are nothing but they are the descriptions written for variables or methods or classes. Means above the variables or above the methods or above the classes or above some logic. They are the descriptions written better I'm written above the variables or methods or classes or some logic, etc. Okay, the comments will help the others to understand the code easily. Okay, the comments will help the others to understand the code easily. You guys can understand this point. The comments will help the others to understand the code easily. Okay, others means maybe your colleague, your team member, or your team lead, or at least you can understand the code easily. Suppose you developed the code today, but maybe after a year or after 2 years, again you have opened the code. Tell me, after 2 years, how can you understand your code easily? If there are some comments you have written, then you can read the comments. By reading the comments, you guys can understand your code. Okay, that is the importance of the comment. Nothing is there. No need to discuss unnecessarily much time on comment. I think, hope I'm clear for you. Okay, hope I'm clear for you. This is how the comments we are writing. The comments will help the others to understand the code easily. How to write the comments? To write the comments, there are 3 types of comments are available. We can write the comments in 3 types. Okay, right? 3 types of comments are available. In Java, we have 3 types of comments. Okay, you see, this is called single line comment. Okay, if you write this is /*, then you can write multi-line comments. Multi-line comment. Multi-line means multiple lines. Multiple lines comment. Okay, you can write 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines. You can write different number of lines. This is for writing in 1 line, but this is for writing multiple lines. How do you write multiple lines comment? First, start with a forward slash. Next character is asterisk. Slash asterisk. Start with this. Ending characters are star, then slash. Slash star, then star slash. In between, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of lines. You can also write comment like this. 2 stars, then write the comment in multiple lines. This is also correct. This is actually called Java documentation comments. Just only 1 star extra. Additionally, 1 more star you need to add. This is called single line comment. This is called multiple lines comment. This is also called multiple lines comment only, but this is also called as documentation style comment. What is documentation? You will understand further. In a single day, you can't understand everything in Java. Further, going forward, you will understand. Going forward, you are going to learn this. Going forward, you are going to learn this. Going forward, you are going to learn this. What is that I'm talking about? I'm talking about there is single line comment. There is multiple lines comment. Okay. There is multiple lines comment. There is again Java documentation style comment. This is called Java documentation style comment. Last one is called Java documentation style comment. We'll understand this in further. Okay. Right. So if you write any comment, then Java compiler will not compile the program, will not compile the line. Compiler will understand that what this is a comment, I should not compile it. That's why Java compiler is not going to compile that line. Okay. So how to tell the compiler that it is the single line comment? You start that comment with 2 slashes, double slash. If it is multiple line comment, how can you tell the compiler? Slash star end with star slash. Again, if you wanted multiple lines comment as a documentation style, then you have to use slash two asterisks, slash star star end with star slash. Okay, na? These are all the, you will understand documentation style comment purpose in the further classes. But currently, we are going to either a single line comment or multiple lines comment. Comments are nothing but they are the descriptions written above the variables or methods or classes or logics. Okay. But the comments will help the others to understand my code easily. There are 3 types of comments are available. You can add the comments like this. Hope I'm clear for you. Hope I'm clear for you. Next, we are going to understand about how to write the program. Okay. Now we are writing, see, we are writing second Java program in the our Java project we are creating in the Eclipse. See, I told in the last class also, everybody has to remember, one project can contain multiple programs also. You look at this now, this is a project, Java project we have created with a simple Java program. Only one program is there. The program name is test.java. Java project is demo application. Okay, very good. I want to create a new Java project. I want to create a new Java project. I want to create a new one. I want to start a new one. Sure. So how can I able to create a new Java project? How can I able to create a new Java project? So I can create a new Java project very easily. Go to the file menu, click on the option called new, then click on the option called what? Java project. Okay. The project name, already steps are given here. After launching the Eclipse, click on browse, choose a workspace. Next, click on file menu, new project, Java project. Enter the project name. Enter the project name. At the bottom, module checkbox is there here. You have to uncheck this. Of course, it's already unchecked. If not, you have to uncheck it. But before that, uncheck. First, enter some project name. Okay, I want to enter the project name. Project name. Guys, project name could be any name. Let's say, okay, let's say I want to create some project name here. My project name is anything, sir. Some name. Demo application 2. Previous one is demo application. This is demo application 2. Second, demo application 2. Verify before you click on the next button and finish button. Check this module and whether it is selected or not. If it is already selected, first uncheck, because module concept you will learn after around a month, after a month. So uncheck this. Then click on next. Then you click on finish. So there is a project created called demo application 2. There is a project called demo application 2. Then you can see there is a folder created called SRC. SRC means source. Now I want to create a new class. How to create a new class? Right click, new class. Before the class, first you create what? Package. Of course, you don't know about what is really package currently, but still create one package. Just follow this option. Enter the package name com.ashok IT. com.ashok IT. Then you click on finish. You tell me the package name is created and the package name is called com.ashok IT. com.ashok IT. Now let us start. Right click, new. You said what? Right click. Then you said new. Then you said what? Class. Okay, com.ashok IT, new class. Okay, right. Okay, class. So enter the class name, any class name. For example, addition, ADDITION. Addition is a program. Program name is addition. That's called class name, program name. Then select this public static void main checkbox. Enter the name here, addition. Check this box, public static void main checkbox. You select this, then click on finish. Now you guys can understand this. Okay, there is one comment is there here. This is called single line comment. To do auto generated method stub. Some comment is there. If you want, you can delete this. Anyhow, this is not a required. It's a default comment whenever I create the Java program. I can delete that line. But you see, there is one package statement is automatically created called com.ashok IT. This is class name is addition. This is main method. But I told you just now, in this program, we are going to use scanner class to read the input from the user. For that, I should write one import statement. I am writing import java.util.scanner. When I'm writing import like this, sometimes, just a minute, sometimes I'll show you. I think it is visible to you. I can show you. Sometimes you are getting this kind of yellow line or yellow mark here. Don't worry about this yellow mark. Remember, if you get any red mark, then there is an error in that line. But for yellow marks, it is like a warning kind of thing, and you no need to worry on that. Only red marks represent error. Here, you have to create the scanner class object. Okay, see, I'm writing comment. You can see above that also I'm writing comment. Before the program also, anywhere I can add comment here. See, I'm writing comment in multiple lines. Start with slash star, end with star slash. This is comment. In the middle, any number of lines you can write. Of course, the middle lines may start with star or may not start with star. Doesn't matter. I mean, it is not compulsory to start with star. So, it is better to, by default, this ID will provide one star for every line. But for every line, star is not compulsory. Without star also, I can write line. I can add comment line 1, comment line 2, comment line 3, comment line 4. I can write. But if stars are there for every line, looking good, na? That's why it will add stars. That's only the reason. Okay, I'm writing. This program reads two integer values from the user, then finds the addition. I'm writing comment in 2 lines. So this is called multi-line comment, multiple lines comment. Coming to this class after main, very good. There is package. After that, there is import statement section. After import statement section, then class. Okay, I'm writing like this to understand easily. Inside that class, tell me which class object I have to create to read the input value from the user. Scanner class object. Scanner. Without creating the scanner class object, then the program cannot read the input from the user. So scanner is a class. I'm writing a comment here, 1-line comment. Create scanner class object. create a scanner class object. Tell me how to create a scanner class object like this. Scan is equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Scan is equal to new scanner of system.in. Is a way of reading scanner class object. Okay, object is created. Tell me, user will provide two numbers as input to find the addition. But first of all, remember, how does user know I have to enter the first number? After that, I have to enter the second number. When user is going to run this program, suppose I have written this program, you are executing it. When you are executing this program, the program should display one message to you. This program should display one message. What the message display to you? Enter the first number. Then as a user, you will enter the first number from keyboard. Then program will read it. Next, after that, this program will display another message to you. Enter the second number. Okay. The program should display message to the user. Then user will enter the second number from keyboard. Then program will read the second number. So first display the message, then take the input. So display means system.out.println. What? Enter the first number. Enter the first number. Tell me, when this message is shown to the user, user will immediately type first number from keyboard. Now, my scanner will read that input, stores in a variable called A. Scan dot next int.
Look at this.
Look at this. Am I clear for you? Okay. Again, I'm writing system.out.println. Enter second number. So int b is equal to scan dot next int. There is a first number and there is a second number. So you guys got the first number and second number. Okay. First number is in A, second number is in B. Okay, now calculate addition. How to calculate? Int C is equal to A plus B. Then display the output. How to display the output now? System.out.println. System.out.println. Write like this. Addition is equal to plus C. First, it will display this message. What is the message? Addition equal to is a message. And to this message, C value is added. First message will be displayed. Addition equal to the message displayed. To the message, C value is added. If the C value is, for example, 100, then you get output what? Addition is equal to 100. This value is appended to this message. At the end of the message, the value of the C variable is appended. Here plus is called concatenation. 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 Concatenation means appending, adding. This is called concatenation. Okay. That's it. Program is ready. You have written the first program today, which is going to read the input from the user. Okay. Now you guys have learned that there is one import statement is newly learned today. Scanner is newly learned today. These methods also you have learned today. Now this is not a static program. This is a dynamic program. Why it is dynamic program? You execute this program first. How can you run this program? Right click on edition.java. You know the steps already? Steps are already there. Follow these steps. Right click, run as Java application. Right click, run as Java application. Whenever I say like this, see on the console, this is called console open. On the console, enter the first number and waiting for my first number. I am a user now. I am running this program. I should enter the first number. It's waiting for my number. Okay, I've given the number 547. Enter the second number. Okay, I've entered the second number is 941. Enter. Addition is 1488. Are able to follow me, right? First we will enter our number, input value, then we'll press enter key, then second number. Again, you enter the second number and click enter, then you'll get output. It's waiting. Okay. Let us run this program again. What the output now? 1488. Again, run this program. Enter the first number. Let's say first number 782. Enter the first number 782. Enter the second number 108. 108. Enter. Addition 890. See, this is called a static program or a dynamic program. This is called a static program or it is called a dynamic program. What type of program you have learned today, guys? Today, you guys have learned about what type of program? Dynamic program, not static. So from now onwards, every program is dynamic. Dynamic in the sense what? When you run the program, user will run the program. Then program will ask the user, you enter the number, you enter some input, then it will read the input, will perform the calculation, will give you the output. This type of programs are called dynamic programs in Java. Dynamic programs in Java. So if at all you want to write any dynamic programs in Java, and you guys need to write scanner. Scanner. Okay, na? Good to know. So let us, okay, guys, we will write more programs because today is the session to understand about how to read the input, reading the user input. These are all what you have learned today. Here, for your reference, I'll copy this program for your practice. What I will do, I will first copy the application structure also. I'll copy for your reference. Demo application 2. I'll copy the structure and I'll paste here. Then after that, addition.java. This is a file. I'm just only, making sure that you guys are going to practice. You guys are going to practice it. So I just want to copy the program code completely. This is your reference. This is your reference code. Means this is a code reference for you. And you guys need to write the program like this and compile the program and execute the program. This is what you guys have learned in the today's class. Today, you got some important things, right? So the same things will be followed for the next all the programs to read the input from the user. Okay, na guys? Okay, guys. So here I'm going to stop the session for today. Okay, I'll share this document again. Okay, I'll share this document, guys. I just want to ask you, all of you guys have registered, enrolled for this course, Java Full Stack Development. Already a week back, we have started our class. Almost 1 week is completed. Last Monday, I think, right? And including Saturday, I took the session. On holy day also, I took the session. And today is again Monday. Today is Monday. Folks, everyone, have you registered for this course? Have you registered? Have you enrolled for Java Full Stack? Because if you enroll, then I can share this document in the Ashok IT portal. And also we will change the link.
Hello, Shekher.
Yes.
Sir, today is the last session, last demo session?
Hope so tomorrow, not today. Probably tomorrow, I think so, is the last demo.
Okay, sir.
Okay, not today. Tomorrow also the same link will be there. You can join tomorrow. Sir. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. Guys, okay. You have. Okay. I have not yet. Okay. Okay. Saturday's lecture. Saturday, what happened? Saturday we have. Okay. Guys. That I don't know. I mean, I have to check now. I don't know whether it is uploaded to that YouTube or not on Saturday's class. Okay, I need to also get to know from admin only. But guys, everybody, please try to register. Okay, please try to enroll for this course by today, tomorrow. Okay, today, tomorrow, or at least by in 1-2 days. I mean tomorrow or day after tomorrow max. Okay, because we have offered you multiple demo classes and you got to know whether you can able to understand my class or not. Okay, with your response, I can understand that you guys are understanding very well. The sessions are going cool and good, right? So hope now it's a time to do enrollment. Okay, everyone, without fail, try to complete your enrollment by connecting with our admin today or tomorrow. Okay, na? Please complete within 1-2 days. Okay, na? So, guys, I want to end the session for today. Hope you guys have understood the session. If you have any queries, you can please let me know in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So some office work is pending for me. I need to complete that. That's why if anybody have any question, please let me know fastly. Otherwise, we'll log off the session. Closing is not important. Kiran has asked a question. Tomorrow I'll answer that question, Kiran. Actually, closing the scanner is not important. Yes, you can close, but at the beginner programs, it's not required. Whenever it is necessary, at that time I'll explain. Currently, no need to close the scanner. It's up to you. You can, if you want, you can close. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, folks. Thanks. Okay. Bye. I'm going to log off now, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay, na?